Hello and assalamu alaikum. In this video, I am going to discuss about the Stent simulation in ANSYS Workbench 2020 for release 1. R1 meaning release 1. So this is basic simulation of cardiovascular stent that is being planted on human artery with plaque that if it is affected by heart attack or any other disease, mainly heart attack. So first of all you need to assign material. So go to this window, this is default window. Go to engineering data and add material for stent 316 L steel or chrome steel or any other material. So after adding material, your desired material, you are here. Go to geometry and here material cement. Go to cement and change material by here. So you can change any other material. Then click here for mesh. I am meshing by keeping default parameter. You can change meshing parameter. Right click, insert refinement face meshing, context sizing method or any other type of material if you want. Then go to static structural A5 fix support. This is basic simulation. So okay, this is my mouse is not capturing any face. I am click fix support but not cannot apply fix support any face. ANSYS cannot allow me. Go to mode, single select. Now you can select any face, this face fix support, and then go to force. You can apply force outer. So and give Newton 441 Newton. It's up to you based on your blood flow and blood circulation. Stress, click on solve button, so it will solve for you. One mice is stress. It will take some time based on your computer specification. 69%, 85, 92, and within 1 minute it will solve. So I have experience in knee design, hip implant, tooth implant, and many biomechanical parts. So this is beautiful view of your stent. You can take these file by emailing me. The email address is in description. And one more thing about the stress, and you can use convergence test here. Give convergence value 20, or it's up to you. You can give any other value. Okay, this will take some time. 1% refining mathematical model. Convergence meaning the model will be independent of like you can say mesh. If you change the mesh, the stresses will not change. So you can change refinement loops, or many settings are here. Mesh setting, material. So this is not for you. It will take time. 53%. Once it's solved, I will tell you the exact result for maximum von Mises stresses or 100% writing result file. So yes, this is not converging. Why? When we converge, it is a horizontal line. It will show horizontal line. So it's up to you to whether you want to converge or not. You can change the element size, mesh method, refinement method. If you want, if you have apply method, just select and change here to tetrahedron. That in next video I will run another kind of simulation. This have some problem I think. So leaving on you. You can check by your own. Okay. Okay, thank you.